And I started spraying it, and then I run the crap out of the base coat on the fender. So JP took the gun away from me. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're glad you're here. We appreciate you subscribing. Follow us along on this journey of this beautiful 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. So what we did, a little bit off camera, we put this thing up in a bag and we just went over those spots again, those primer spots. I'll show them all to you. We're gonna block this thing down today. We're gonna get it untaped. We're gonna block it all down. We're gonna pull it in the booth and we're gonna get it painted. We're gonna get this thing painted and start the journey of getting it put back together. So we'll just real quick, we'll check out here and see what these spots look like. This has been a budget build. You know, we've just been trying to save every penny we can. So what we're going to do today, another thing that we're going to do is we're going to just, you know, we're just going to jump on it. We're going to block it all down. We're going to make it look as best as we possibly can, if not perfect, in this booth. Got JP coming up today, got CC coming up today. It's going to be a whole crew, and we're going to jump on this thing and get as far as we can. So let's hop to it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna jump on this gate, and take all this stuff off, take all the emblem off, the lights out. All of that stuff's gotta come out because we're gonna paint this thing. We're gonna have to just have to tape it up, and it wouldn't look as good. Just gonna jump on that, take that thing apart real quick while we're waiting on JP and CC to get out of the bed to get on up here. We'll get right on it right now. Man, we have just been working away on this thing. We've been blocking all this stuff down. We wet sanded it down with some 400. We got every spot just flat, flat, flat. Look at this trunk, man. Look at this trunk. We have worked so hard on this trunk. But you know what? We saved it. Look at this thing. Look at that trunk. Man, she is perfect. Perfect from where it was to where it is. Looks like $500 saved to me. So let's pull it over. Get ready to get this thing in the booth and let's get some paint shot on it. Right, man, we made real quick work of that. What we did is we just scuffed that car down, we hit it with a DA, you know, done a lot of taping, dried it all off, blowed it off with air hose. We done a lot. So what we're gonna do now, we got it in the booth, we got it all taped up. So I'm gonna jump in there, I'm gonna hit it with some wax and grease remover, 30-30-30, and then we're gonna hit it with a tack rag. And JP, he's in there mixing up some paint. We're gonna paint this sucker right now. Man, JP, he's over there cleaning out the gun. We got started on that. I started spraying it, and then I run the crap out of the base coat on the fender. So JP took the gun away from me.
He's learning. He's a bad guy. He's on that fine line.
No, but seriously, I didn't want to spend all day up here sanding more runs out, so I decided to just turn all the painting duty over to JP because he is the professional when it comes to painting. So we'll go in here, we'll check out our paint job in just a minute and see what it all looks like. All right, man. Me and JP, we made quick work of this thing today. We jumped in here, we sanded it all down, we got it all scuffed up, and then I started out painting it like I said, but then I run the fender, so JP, he took the gun away. But that's all right. I actually told him to. I want to get out of here and not spend all day sanding runs out. But check out our trunk, man. I'm so proud of this thing. It turned out amazing from where it was at. Man, it was just all wham, smashed in right there, and we beat that thing out and we pulled it out and we got it looking perfect. Man, it looks perfect. We had our brand new fender that the guy from FedEx, he just stomped all over it. You know, he threw that thing out, he stomped on it. He didn't even ring the doorbell. I think he might have tried to steal the dog. But look at this, man, look at this fender. It is perfect. And then JP, he got the Satajet X5500 out and he got it all dialed in, and it is slick, slick, slick. So the next thing we're gonna do, probably in the next video, we'll jump on this suspension and we'll get that all completed up, get everything bolted up, tightened up, the axles replaced and all that. And then we'll put our bumper on and get all that stuff done. But it is turning out amazing. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.